All right. That looks like the plan right there. Day two and a half. Yeah, still a little gloomy today, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Anyway, we'll be moving around a lot today. Yesterday we did about 15,000 steps. Oh, and here goes. Yeah, 15,000 steps. That's crazy. And we got room service coming. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Thank you.
May I sit or?
Oh yeah, sure, yeah. Just got the room served. Good. Now we're ready, heading out. We got, oh dang. I forgot to put the to show you guys the map of what we're doing. Y'all gonna see. You know, I'm getting the Uber right now. I think I just messed up. Oh, this is probably where my room is. That's why it's not. Oh. Okay, my bad. Hold on, guys. Trip so far has been great. A lot of good food. So far, so good. No complaints here. Everything's good. The water. You can drink. I'm gonna go down and hit the elevator. That drip check. Hey, there we go. See that drip? You see the fit? Yeah, boy. Yeah, drip check. Yeah, y'all know. I know y'all see. Y'all see. Come on. All right, y'all see me in a sec.
Oh, it is? Oh, I want to go walk.
Because you can go to see the show. You know that.
Huh?
You can go to see the show.
I need to take a picture of this. Yeah. How much did you get? Admission fee. Did you look how much that is?
That's like a couple bucks.
Oh, okay, so it's not bad.
No, 300 yen. That's like probably like $2.
Okay.
USD, like I said, $2.02. Hey man, hey, what I tell you, I'm from out here.
We can't go now. We can't go.
I know we can't go in. Hey man, it's 300 yen. We can't go. It's too much. You want me to stand? Try to take pictures of me. Sorry. Hey, you can drink water out here because you know why? It's clean, so I don't care. Come on.
Okay.
Oh! That's low-key pause.
I want to go see sumo.
You gotta pay like $100 for it.
Okay, I want to see temples.
Hey, you can walk on these stones. You want me to hold you? If your ass falls in there, I'ma laugh. I can do it. I'm a gymnast. Okay, go ahead. I'm over here trying to be a gentleman. You want to be over here, show off. Watch one of these rocks be loose. Gonna bust your ass. Very cool. Give me on the GoPro?
Huh?
Give me on the...
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There we go. Alright, so this is the second day we out here. And it's raining. We gotta bring that Cali sun out sometime. Dang, it's getting heavier, y'all. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You see the dots on the lot on the lake? So you guys can get an idea of what we're walking through. This is one arbor, another arbor trail people can get to. Oh, there's a bridge over there we can get to if you want. Yeah, this is rapidly, we're definitely in it right now. We got a whole clear umbrella holding us, keeping it safe. So shout out to the lady that was nice enough to give us this umbrella in the tea house. She was like, do you guys need a thing? Do you guys need an umbrella? Because we were talking about it too. I was like, man, if we had an umbrella, this would make the day so much better. I'll go walk around this whole park. Bing, she came right up to us. Bam, hey, he got an umbrella. Definitely gotta keep it going.
The next station is Tabata. KY9. The doors on the left side will open. Please change your for the Keiki Tohoku line.
Bento boxes. Bento box is like a little thing that comes with like little sushis. It's assorted, like little 5 pieces. It comes in back 5 pieces. Yeah. This with deli, Paul's fried chicken, right here. One of those for $6.50. So that'll probably be like, saying 500 is $3. So that'll be like 4 something. That's one I want to try. Can you grab one for me? Look, you can try this box. Yeah.
We are here.
We're right here. See, so the Royal Museum is to the left, the Japan Academy. But you want to go inside. See this places to eat over here. Visitor center. So this is the whole park. So we have all this. There's the zoo over there. There's the zoo over there.
Let's go to the museum. Not the museum. Yeah. I want to go inside of some of the temples.
Yes. We're going to a sushi roll. So this is over here. So it should be in 103 feet. We will arrive to Sushi Row, which is a conveyor belt sushi spot. This looks like it's a big DVD, VR type spot, room type. What is this?
Bueno,
What the? Bueno, what? So, okay, so now we're gonna have to find the Sushi Row. Wait, hold on. It says we passed it already. It says we arrived. Oh, right there. Look, it says B1F. It's right up there. Look, you see it?
no.
Sushi Row right there. B1F.
Oh, until we go down.
Yeah. How do we get
There?
No, not. Number one, you go to the reception. And number two, that's the guide, and then it's gonna tell you what to get. These fixed over this. Yeah, same. Did you bring this? Never had anything like this before. I'm about to try this. So we're ordering the drinks now. I'll try this.
Oh, okay, we have to order now because you keep ordering when you eat. So we have to make the order so it comes first and then.
Okay. The picture is an image only. It's so funny. On the side it says the picture is an image only, so like don't think it's real. That's what it says.
I was about to grab it.
That's money, yeah.
Why didn't you can never?
Got us playing some anime right there. We got us some shrimps. We got us some fried octopus. She got a bunch of rolls. I got my soup. She got a soup. This is another fried shrimp. This is a hand roll right here. Dipping sauce. That's some alcohol for me. And yeah. It was already flat. It's already sticking out. But let's take it, open it here. Now we pull it out of the slot. You see? Roll it. Roll it up nice.
Oh yeah.
And enjoy. Look at these stack plates. Look at all this food.
I'm getting full.
This is about a good whopping like 35 hots, bro. This thing right here is like $3. It's insane. Safe to say, I'm moving my black ass out here. Finished up all this food. Hello.
English?
Yes, yes. Perfect, thank you.
Oh, there's mobile. Yeah, I have to watch how
That guy going crazy, would you say?
I have to sometimes do this. Oh yeah, watch out.
7-Eleven. And a coffee house up there.
Very high.
Lottery and stuff.
I'm here.
Huh? Yamashi Shibuya? Damn. Make me spin the block like Beyblade. That's crazy. They got Beyblades. Where's the Pokemon stuff at? place. All these toys in here. My inner child came out. It's okay, it's okay. Hold on, we back at level 4? Dang. I really thought they would have more cards at this spot. We gotta hit another spot in this set. Like I just need the cards. That came with the board, the instruction. Sugar butter tree. Alright, so this station's a little bit different, as you can see. We're about to head back to the Crivingtons. Let's see, we need platform number 2. Dang, these things are low. Even they bending their heads down to get under. That's how you know it's really low. If they bending down, it must be super low. Hey, wait. Dang. Hey, hold it. I always do that, man. I'm sorry. I keep this thing recording. I don't even turn it off because the screen turns off, so I can't tell. We're gonna get to cart 3, or we're gonna get to cart 1. This is cart 3. All right, that was a good trip, good times. We had some good food. I think we're gonna eat again. We're just resting right now a little bit, and probably go to Shinjuku, get some food over there. We'll see. We don't know yet. It's still early over here. It is 8:17. You know me. I'm the night owl. This one over here, I don't know so much. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. All right, guys. Sorry, I done did it again. I done nerded out. I done nerded out. I done nerded out. I done nerded out. Nerded out.